Hi dears, good morning to all. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Are you ready for our grammar class? Okay, very good. I hope all of you understand our previous class. Okay, last class we discussed present continuous tense and simple present tense. Okay, yeah. Today we are going to discuss. All of you take page number 40. What is the difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense? Okay. What is the forming format of present continuous tense? Yes, is O, plus ing is the base form of the verb. Simple present tense, base form of the verb we are adding is, es, ies. Okay, and then here today we are going to discuss difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. Okay, since the present tense tells about action that happen in the present moment are done regularly. Oh, simple present tense about action happen in the present moment. ഈ present moment ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ done regularly എല്ലാ ദിവസവും തുടർച്ചയായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് നമ്മൾ simple present tense എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. The present continuous tense tells about action that are happening at the time of speaking. Present continuous tense the happening at the time of speaking. Okay. Yeah. Read this sentence. I go to school. Simple present. I go to school. Is ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് സ്കൂളിൽ പോകാറുണ്ട്. I go to school. ഞാൻ സ്കൂളിൽ പോകാറുണ്ട്. I am going to school now. Present I am going to school now. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകുകയാണ്. All of you understand the difference between simple present and present continuous tense? Okay. Here the first sentence is a general statement and tells us that the speaker is school going child. First sentence is a general statement. I go to school. Tells us that the speaker is school going child. This sentence is said to be in the simple present tense. The second sentence tells us the speaker is going to school at the time of his speaking, therefore the action is still in progress. The sentence is said to be the present continuous tense. The second sentence tells us the speaker going to school. The speaker is going to school at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Therefore, the action is still in progress. This sentence is said to be in the present continuous tense. Here, underline the correct form of the verb to complete each sentence one has done for you. Here, mother often helps is helping my grandmother because she is very cold. My mother often helps my grandmother because she is very old. Second one, the doctor examines or is examining a patient now. The doctor is examining a patient now. Third one, it is raining or rains heavily in Shimla now. It is raining heavily in Shimla now. Then all of you find out the answers yourself 4 to 8. Then exercise number D. Rewrite this sentence by changing the simple present tense to the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. One has done for you. The bright lights glitter on trees. The bright lights are glittering on the trees. Second one, the moon shines brightly. Second one answer. The moon shines brightly. The moon is shining brightly. Then third one. Are fighting. With each other. Okay. Then Fourth one, the chef cooks delicious food. The chef is cooking delicious food. Then fifth one, the river is flowing under the bridge. Okay, here 6 to 8, all of you find out the answers. I hope all of you understand what is the difference between simple present and present continuous tense. Okay, here I hope all of you are right in your textbook. First one, the second one, the moon is shining brightly. Third one, Sonu and Bounty are fighting with each other. The chef is cooking delicious food. The river is flowing under the bridge. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss our next lesson, 9th lesson. Okay, next we are going to discuss our 9th lesson, present perfect tense. Okay, we use the present perfect tense for actions that have been completed. എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു എന്ന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി പറയുന്നത് നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് present perfect tense for actions that have been completed. Seema has just eaten her lunch. എന്താണ് സീമ അവളുടെ ലഞ്ച് ഇപ്പോൾ കഴിച്ചു. Just completed. Okay, that have already been completed at the time of speaking. Yeah, that have already been completed at the time of speaking. Yeah, there is no importance to time. Here she has come home. അവൾ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വന്നു. Okay, കഴിഞ്ഞ കാര്യം. Then third point, that started in the past and are continuing in the present. We have lived in this house since 2013. We have lived in the house since 2013. Then fourth point, for which the time mentioned has not finished yet. It has rained heavily, is month. Okay, yeah. And before that, anybody know what is the formic format of present perfect tense? Present perfect tense. Yes, has or have plus P3. Has mainly used a singular form, have is mainly used a plural form. Yeah, we often, points to remember, we often ask words such as just for, since, just, for, since, already with the present perfect tense. Read this sentence. Paras has just finished reading the story. Para has just finished. അവളുടെ സ്റ്റോറി ഇപ്പോൾ വായിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞതേ ഉള്ളൂ. I have already submitted my project. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ പ്രൊജക്റ്റ് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. I have already ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ പ്രൊജക്റ്റ് എപ്പോഴേ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു. Okay, have just completed. Okay, that is present perfect tense. The present perfect tense talk about an action completed in the recent past whose effect continues in the present. But it's a past, but it continues in the present. We use a simple past tense when there is no link with the present. Read this sentence. He went to Mumbai yesterday. Action done in the past. He went to Mumbai yesterday. അതെന്താണ് പാസ്റ്റ് ആണല്ലേ, കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയി. ആക്ഷൻ ഡൺ ഇൻ ദ പാസ്റ്റ്, ഇൻ ദ സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. ഹി ഹാസ് ഗോൺ ടു മുംബൈ ടുഡേ. അവൻ ഇന്ന് മുംബൈയിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. പാസ്റ്റ് ആക്ഷൻ ലിങ്ക്ഡ് വിത്ത് പ്രസന്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എന്താണ് പ്രസന്റ് മുംബൈ പാസ്റ്റ് ആക്ഷൻ ലിങ്ക്ഡ് വിത്ത് പ്രസന്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. He has gone to Mumbai today. Forming the verb in the present പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. ഇനി എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രസൻറ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടെൻസിൽ ഫോമിങ് ദ വെർബ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കാം. ദ പ്രസൻറ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടെൻസ് ഈസ് ഫോം ഇൻ 2 പാർട്സ്. 2 പാർട്സ് ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. വി യൂസ് ഹാസ് ഓർ ഹാവ്. ഹാസ് ഓർ ഹാവ്. ഓക്കെ, has or have. Before the main verb. We use has with he, she, its singular form. നമ്മൾ has എവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? We use the singular form. Then have we use the plural form. Plural nouns. Okay, plural nouns. Here we use has with he, she, its singular nouns. Then we use have with I, we, you, they are plural nouns. We use the past participle form of the main verb along with the has or have. Here, read this sentence. He has called the ball. He is a singular here. That's why we use has called the ball. Yeah, she has gone to Italy. It has run away from the farm. Father has bought tickets for the show. Then I have finished my food. We have reached the airport on time. How is the plural? We is the plural here. That's why we use have. Then reach on time. You have scored well in the test. They have cooked the food today. Arjun and Varun have come late for the class. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense, the 4 verbs in the bracket. One has done for you. Yeah, Shaila and her parents moved to their new house today. Shaila and her parents have moved to their new house today. Shaila has beautiful bedroom which faces the lake. She decorate. What is the answer? She has decorate. She has decorated. Okay, then next one. It with the lovely pictures and her dolls, Sheila's parents moved. And then next one, in the master bedroom, which is very big, her father has set up the office in that study and has brought. Okay, brought his files and books there. Then he install a huge television too in the office. Her mother placed the crockery and lovely cabinets in the dining room, and they cover the walls with beautiful wallpaper. They park their car in garage and make small swimming pool in the rear of their house. All of you find out the answer yourself. Okay, and then exercise number B. Rewrite this sentence by changing the simple present tense, the present perfect continuous, present perfect tense. One has done for you. My friend goes to the public library. My friend has gone to public library. Then second one. I drive the car today. I have driven the car today. Then third one, my friends have caught fish. Then 4, 5, 6, that is the homework. Saloni speaks the truth. Saloni is the singular here. Then speaks change to V3 form, spoken. Okay. Then rewrite this sentence correctly using the present perfect tense one has done for you. I has ordered my birthday cake. I has ordered my birthday cake. I have ordered my birthday cake. Second one, you has grown very tall. You have grown very tall. Then third one, they have eaten all the biscuit. They have eaten all the biscuits. Okay. Then all of you find out the answers yourself. Okay. Okay. Others, all of you do yourself. Okay. Then today we discuss the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense that have been just completed. Then എന്താണ് has or have plus V3 form. Have is mainly used as singular one. Have is plural form. Plural nouns. Okay. Then some more examples are given in your textbook. All of you do yourself. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss one more small chapter, simple present tense. Simple present tense. Sorry, simple past tense. Simple past tense. We use the simple past tense for actions that happen or existed at some point in time in the past. എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞ ആക്ഷൻ ദാറ്റ് ഹാപ്പൻ സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞ ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ് എന്ന് പറയും. ഹിയർ ദ ഡോഗ് ബൈറ്റ് മൈ നൈബർ യെസ്റ്റർഡേ. ഇന്നലെ എൻ്റെ അയൽപക്കത്തെ ആളെന്താണ് പട്ടി കടിച്ചു. ഇസ് ദാറ്റ് ഹാപ്പൻ, ദാറ്റ് ആക്ഷൻസ് ദാറ്റ് ഹാപ്പൻ ഓൾറെഡി ഹാപ്പൻഡ്. ടിമ്മി ജംപ്ഡ് ഓവർ ദ ഫെൻസ്. ഫെൻസിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ കൂടെ ജിമ്മി ചാടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഓക്കെ. Here we also use the simple past tense for actions that tells us of some past habit. The king visited the temple every day. As usual, we had our dinner early. Remember, when we talk of some past habit, we use words such as generally, always, often, usually, every day, sometimes with the simple past tense. Forming verbs in the simple past tense. For most verbs, we form the simple past tense by adding ed, the base form of the verb. Yeah, allowed, ed. Then another called, ed, base form of the verb we are adding ed, the simple past tense. Listen, listened, cook, cooked, play, played, talk, talked. Okay, then for the most verbs that ending with the e, most verbs are ending with the e, we form the simple past tense by adding d, the root base form of the verb. Bake, ending with the e, bake. Then adding ed, ed, baked. Then chase, chased. Okay. Then lie, lied, like, liked, love, loved, tie, tied. Then for the some verb simple past tense, the same root base form of the verb. Cost, costed. We have no changes. Cut, cut. Hit, hit. Hurt, hurt. Put, put. Read, read. For many verbs in simple past tense form differently. Break, broke. Learn, learned. Go, went. Speak, spoke. Hold, held. Take, took. Subject verb agreement in the simple past tense. Except from the verb be with the verb simple past tense states the same whether subject is singular or plural. Example, I was unwell. He played cricket. He learned her work. They were unwell. They played cricket. Okay, here fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs from the box. The first one has done for you. First one, I mistook Sheena for Meera as both have same hairstyle and look similar from behind. Here, fill in the correct verb. All of you use the correct verb from this box. Okay. Second one, Rohan dashed branches of the tree till some mangoes dashed down. Here, Rohan shook the branches of tree. Some mangoes fell, F-E-L-L. Then, third one, the ball dash and dash towards the rod. The ball bounced and rolled. Change into rolled. R-O-L-L-E-D. Rolled towards the rod. Then 4, 5, 6. That's all of you do yourself. Then fill in the blanks with the simple past tense form of the verbs in the brackets. One has done for you. I wear a bright and colorful dress for the party. I wore a bright colorful dress for the party yesterday. Second one, she rang the golden bell with great effort. She rang the golden bell with great effort. Third one, they begin with their classes soon after summer break. They began their classes soon after the summer break. Okay, then other works all of you do yourself. Then C, rewrite the sentence by changing the underlined verbs for the simple present tense and simple past tense. Here one has done for you. He walks to his office and comes back by bus. He walked to his office and came back by bus. Here, second one, the florist plucks many beautiful flowers that grow in this garden. The florist plucked many beautiful flowers that grew, G-R-E-W, grew in this garden. Then other exercises, all of you find out the answer yourself. Okay, I hope all of you understand this simple past tense. Simple past tense action that happened existed at some point in the time in the past. Okay, I hope all of you understand. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.